232. Keep this grid in mind. It is a 4x4 grid, and each one of these cells is another 4x4 grid, representing the 4x4 grid of dirty rectangles over the individual master memory cells. So keep this variable in mind. This is our GPU sync clean it all. That's going to clean the memory and push up to the GPU. If neither the tile memory or everything else memory has been flagged as dirty, we're going to warn but not crash. And we're going to end up here, and we're going to push all of the memory. Otherwise, if the tile memory is marked as dirty, we'll do this in this video. And if the everything else memory is dirty, we will do it in this video. We'll push up and do all the GPU syncing we need to do. After we're done syncing, we need to clear everything. We'll mark the dirty flag as clean, and then these two major partitions will mark as clean. And then all of the dirty rectangles we can actually clear like this. Because if you remember, let's go back to our little diagram right there, right? It's very easy to clear this because we just have to iterate through each one and set it to 0, and then it zeroes out every single bit in our bit flag. So that's pretty nice. What we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. If you want a deeper explanation, go here. You're on this playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. Video 232, optimized tile setting. Like, subscribe.